waking up, and this is lunch service. Thai chicken, veggies, and picked a mango juice, and a little bread, and some dessert of some sort, bowl of fruit, and some cold silverware, a little water. It's been a stiff, crooked night of sleep. Sleeping up, sleeping down, everybody bumping around, bumping around. But it's going. You can probably hear my voice. I just woke up. But yeah, I think we're over halfway through now. So soon we'll be touching down. I gotta get out for a walk. And stretch my bones. But yeah, that's that. Yeah, no, I don't have anything else to say. Except for just wake up and eat your food, boy.